have another like sister battleship. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because these are based off of battleships.
Yeah. Like battleship-inspired anime characters. A bit of the anime girl,
Anime girl.
as always.
Izumo.
Have you guys do unboxing for this one?
Not unboxing, but we had a quick look
Quick
at
look.
the box top.
Oh yeah, because I bring this to life because I have another like sister battleship. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because these are based off of battleships.
Yeah.
correct?
Like
Yeah.
battleship-inspired anime characters, and they have 3 different modes of the armor. It's like the non-armor,
Yeah.
full armor, or the third version is a very interesting one. It's like a boat, like
It's a boat. Let's have a look over there.
like riding on
here.
the boat or something. If you see here.
Let's have a look.
Oh,
Oh, like that one.
yeah. Yeah, this
Oh.
is a very interesting design. Like I never see any other brands doing the similar things. Like so, it's a very fresh
So that's-
idea. Yeah,
That's the regular. It's
regular.
with all the armor.
Yeah, and the armor is like pretty well balanced because I know some of the brands they like just keep putting all the weapons and swords like everything on the body, but it's not looking good. Just for like
Yeah.
complex doesn't
Mean
equals to-
best.
yeah.
Oh, let's have a quick look.
Yeah. And that's the body.
skin.
Yeah.
Yep.
Quickly show the looking for the face. Yes.
Oh, lots of faces.
Now, if you build the Kotobukiya anime girls, you have to know like how good the face are. Like they have another. There is another level of. Like,
Compared to Bandai.
Yeah. So
I mean, yeah, the mouths are molded
yeah.
as well.
Yeah, very premium. Yeah, very premium. Like
Mm.
they're the best Japanese brand making these kind of anime character models.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're the best.
Yeah, and they also come with the stand.
The stand, where's the clear one?
Yeah, the clear one.
Ah,
Yeah.
little stand
Yeah,
just here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
very nice kit. Because I built the first one in the series. I know it's a good kit. So if you wanna try something like Battleship Girls, this is a good one to have.
This is a really good one to try, huh?
Yeah.
And it goes together really nicely, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Looks very nice standing with each other.